We live in an age of innovation. The digitalization of everything is disrupting the old way of doing things and replacing them with new ways which make us more productive. This applies in our personal and professional lives. I began my career in the process safety business in 1998. Back then, when I was visiting a new customer, I had to use an atlas to map out directions to the customer site. And when I was looking at the atlas, there was one thing I wasn't looking at: the road. Fast forward to today. Now when I visit a customer, I just tell my phone where I want to go. It connects to my car, and it gives me turn-by-turn instructions. So new technology has made me more efficient, but the benefits don't stop there. I no longer have to divert my eyes from the road, so it's also made me safer. But what about once I arrive at the site? Are the same innovations making us more productive and safer inside the plant? Sadly, the answer is no. Most safety tasks today are implemented using methods that date back to the 70s and 80s. It's as though we're in a time capsule when we enter the plant. For example, let's take a look at a job that everyone who manages process safety applications has to do: bypassing and critical alarms. Schneider Electric has a tool which is specifically fit for the purpose of managing safety bypasses and critical alarms. It's called Safety View, the only such tool in the world which is certified for both cybersecurity and safety in up to SIL 3 applications. Why is this certification so important? Well, no one questions any longer the need to have an SIS controller certified, but if a software application can have a direct effect on your safety functions, wouldn't you want to apply the same level of rigor? The job to be done hasn't changed. We've just introduced a better way to do it. And in an industry where resources are strained, who wouldn't want to be more efficient? And just like the use of my phone versus the atlas for directions made me both more efficient and safer, Safety View will make you safer by maximizing the situational awareness of your safety applications.
Thank you for joining us today. Scan the QR code on the screen to contact us and get access to a free demo of Safety View. Have a great day.